in this problem we have to replace the polar equation into Cartesian equation. So the polar equation is given as, polar equation is r cos theta plus r sin theta equal 3. R cos theta plus r sin theta equal 3. So we have to convert it into an equivalent Cartesian equation. So if we have a coordinate system xy that is in Cartesian form, so if we convert it into polar form, that is r comma theta, so the relation between these two is x equal r cos theta and y equal r sin theta. Now here the equation is